So far, it has given us various directories or various informations. So far, this one backup.zip seems to be interesting. So without wasting too much time, we'll just navigate over to this directory and see what it will give us. And this, as you can see, I've downloaded a zip file for us. This backup.zip. It's a zip file image has been downloaded to us. So we'll just navigate over to our downloads. In a minute. Okay, I'm looking for download one. This is it. And proceed to practice. Proceed to unzip this. Sorry. Okay, as you can see, it requires a password. The password in it is have. So I'm going to use zip to join to practice. Now convert this to this file. Center. That's been converted. And then we can now proceed to crack it the normal way using job. I'm going to use rocky.txt to crack this. Okay, it seems as though we've already cracked it, so we'll just navigate over to our port and show what the password is. Okay, as you can see, this is our password. This right here. So we'll just go ahead and copy this. We'll go back to our main directory. Then we'll proceed to unzip the file. Oops, I forgot that it's in downloads. Proceed to unzip the file. Paste our selection. And just press yes for this. Since I've already done this before, I would have to press yes to replace all of it. I can just press all. Okay, so these are the various files in which we are within the zip file. Okay, this has caught my interest. Tomcats I can use that as can remember the website in which we were in was a Tomcat website, and I feel as if though this is going to give us the credentials we need. So let's just hurriedly cut all of this. Okay, and so far it has given us like a HTML prompt. This section has piqued my interest. says here that the sample user and the role entries below are intended for use with the examples web application. They are wrapped in the comments and thus are ignored when reading the list if you wish to configure these users. Okay, so basically these are actual users. These are actual user credentials. So let's try admin first. Let's try admin and its own password first. Let's copy this. Copy this back here. Type in admin. And type in the password which we used. As you can see, we have logged in to admin's session. Okay, so here as you can see, we are prompted here. We can upload the file here. Ordinarily, you would use MSF Venom to create a malicious file in which you can upload here and establish a connection via MSF console. So I'm going to take another route. So I'm going to use MSF console and exploit the fact that you can upload any file here. So I'm just going to create another session. I'm going to use the Tomcat manager upload module. So I'll just search here. It's not here. Okay, this is what I'm going to use, number 7. So let's check what we have to input first. Okay. So we're just going to set our R hosts to our target IP address, our R ports to the port in which we found the website. We need no use to make it manager, although manager can also work. All is perfect, so we can just start setting it. Password to ensure that we have no errors on this type HTTP password. That is it. And we now you run. Okay, you can see we have exploited the flaw that's within these websites and we have created a metadata session. We're currently within the shell, so we'll just move over to shell and then we'll make it look like an actual Linux terminal. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to check which version of Python is inside and then we'll use it to convert our shell session into an actual Linux terminal session. Okay, it is using Python, so because of that you can go ahead and delete Python. nothing of interest here. Let's move over to our home. Okay, so far we can see two available directories, which are J and Randy. Let's move over to Randy. Let's see what's on Randy. Okay, so we have various things that are within Randy. Let's check what is in user.txt. Okay, so far we're just giving us API key. Nothing else we can do for that. We also seem to be giving a Python file. Let's see what's inside that. Let's navigate over to J and see what's in J. Let's first. We cannot access J. Seems to be like that. So let's try something. Let's see if we can switch the user from Tomcat to J. Let's take a wild guess and assume that the password for J is in fact the password we found in the rules for Tomcat server. So we'll just copy this and then we'll paste it back here. And our lock is went well. We are currently now in J's user. So I can just copy this to save time. Just copy this. That's G's terminal. See what is inside. Okay, nothing much of interest. These files look interesting. So just navigate over to it. Check what is inside. Okay, let's see what's in. Okay, so there's nothing there. Doesn't seem as if J has much. So we just switch to Randy. And let's attempt the same thing we tried for J. That was a mistake. Not interesting. Sorry for that. It seems as though I cannot actually copy from my background. So we'll copy this. I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, as you can see, it shows us authentication failure, meaning that Randy's password is different from Jay's password. So let's take a look at the etc folder. etc C password folder. Okay, as you can see, we have Randy here, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to create a separate terminal for this reason. I now want to put this here. What we want to do, we want to try and create a loop so that we can try and crack Randy's password. So after that, we simply go back. We now want to look at the shadow now. Permission denied. Not have permission to do this. But luckily, there's an exploit which helps us to bypass this, so we can see our permissions. It should be over here. So for that, what we first want to do, that is this. Before we do that, let's switch over to an actual terminal. Let's switch over to an actual let's connect to J using another method. Trying to SSH. If you remember from our scan, SSH port for this IP is open. So we'll try and connect to J's user via the SSH. Password being password being this. Just copy this, paste it, press enter. Okay. Now we are in J's user. Let's use Python to get an actual terminal. That's we are in. Let's just use our exploits. We copy this. Copy it. Paste it back. Press enter. Now make sure that we're on CD files. And then we use second exploit. Copy this. Paste. supposed to actually move over to the TMP directory first, and then from there we use this exploit. Okay, it is here we move over to the files directory. So we can now proceed to paste this here. Okay, sorry. This didn't work because I did not add a dollar sign. Yeah. Let's try this again. And as you can see, that's giving us our shadow file. So let's look for Randy shadow file. Okay, you see it here. So we'll just copy this. We'll go to our paste it, we'll save it, and come here, we'll save this one as Randy House and we'll save it as. So now we're going to use these files in there, cracking to get Randy's password. Okay, I've already done this. Okay. Now I think we can crack the password. Okay, I'm deeply sorry. I know why I did. I was supposed to keep it announcing. Okay, let's try running it. And as you can see, that's gotten us our password. We now want to move back to our our J and login session here. We'll now just switch the user to random. We've already copied this, so we'll paste it. Or did we copy it? I don't think we copied it, so we'll not copy it. My bad. Copy this. We paste it over here. Now we are in Randy's session. So we just original directory. Okay, a lot of things here. Randy has a notes. Read it. Okay. Okay, this note simply says that the administrator has changed Randy's permissions, meaning that he must be able to add or remove files from now. Okay, let's take a look at this random base.py file. Okay, so it's just a simple Python script. Nothing much it can do. Let's see if we can manipulate it to a Python scripts so it will give us some privilege escalations. So for that, we want to move over to Python 3.8 directory. Okay, so I think the main one we want to start is this 64.py. So let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, I've already manipulated this. So what simply happens is that at first this will be around. I added this to it. also added this to it. This was what I added to it. Okay, so we can just go back and then just navigate back to our directory. Okay, I think we have encountered a glitch. Let's just, yeah, that's it. You know what? Let's use the other terminal for this. Let's switch our user to run. Maybe it would work better here. This terminal is glitching. Okay. Okay, 30. Kind like that. I'm within the root user, so I'll just navigate to the root directory. I'll look at what's in it. Okay, I see root.txt, so I'll click on it. I'll cut it. And like that, I've gotten it. I've gotten the CTF. I've gotten the flag. If you found this insightful, thank you.